Alright, putting the phone back together. Usually what I'll do is I'll set them top to top. And I'll start with, I'm right-handed, but I take all the connections, and what you want to do is get that number 3 connection right at the tip of your index finger. This little ribbon thing, I always kind of get it pulled back to kind of keep it back. So all I have is the number 3. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide that number 3 connection, just same place we pulled it out. You can kind of see the lines where it was in there before. And that's it. You can, at this point, use your plastic pry tool to flip down that alligator clip, or I've just gotten to where I can, so we can get it in there again. There it is there. I've gotten to where I can actually just flip that clip with my fingernail. And usually that works pretty good. You can see there, number 3 is in good. Okay. Now you want to keep them top to top. I usually rotate it around while I'm holding them together. And now let's put the number 2 and the number 3 in. Number 2, you can kind of keep this up at a 90 degree, and that's fine. So you just get the number 2 on there, line it up, and push down. You'll kind of feel it snap. Sometimes you don't feel it snap, but this one did make a connection. What you don't want to do on the connections is you don't want to push pressure down and move side to side at the same time. What that'll have a tendency of doing is bending some of those pins that are on there. So just push down, straight down pressure. If it doesn't line up, pull it up, move it to another spot, push down, and you can keep doing that until you finally get it on there. The easiest way to get the number 1 connector, which is the LCD, number 2, get it seated good. You can use your plastic pry tool to come in here and seat it better. Okay, so your number 1 is your last one to do, and the easiest way to do it is just going to be to kind of clam it shut, get it where it naturally will sit, and you'll just feel it kind of snap in there with your finger. This one's more by feel than anything. Once you have it on, all of them are in there just fine. And now we can proceed to put the top in first. There's 3 little clips that kind of go in. There's small clips that go in up there. Once those are down, we'll just work our way to the front. Push that down. Alright. Once that's pushed down, we can put in our screws. And there we go. Now we put the screen back, and you can turn your phone back on.